Hi, Dion here from Rumbucks. Want to show you our full spec protection bars for the CF Moto 450 MT. It's got upper protection bars as well as an engine protection bar. All of this mounted only to the frame of the bike, and an integrated skid plate of 4.5mm aluminium. Specialized powder coating process. The whole system is interchangeable, the upper and engine part or the lower bars with CF Moto bars. So you can buy either one of them, the upper or the lowers or the engine bars. And as you've seen in past videos, our rear protection bars or pannier bars for soft luggage, as well as mounting of a tool tube, as well as fuel cells. Okay, great. That's the story. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.